Well, Harold Dean has left again, which is fine. I looked a little bit for she, him, and couldn't find him, her. So I've given up, and I think that's probably the best way. They're gone. I'm just gonna watch my steps so I don't step on him, her, and we'll see how she, him, he does, her. What does a channel do? What does a guy just recording himself wading into projects do for a channel? Does he try to be funny and inject music and lots of fast edits and kind of just short and sweet stuff and express himself as much as he can? Or does he try to fit a mold and a recipe, of which may or may not be known? You do what you do, and if it works, it works. And we'll get it lowered and the interior done. We'll get some new glass in it. We're going to do a single stage rattle can Dan job once again after we do some body work. We're going to primer, frickin', skim coat, block sand, Bondo, whatever, all the steps to get this thing as smoothed out as I can. And then I'm going to rattle can Dan it. We'll get the lighting done. And, we'll get closer and closer. Hey, we're going to set us up on a time lapse. I got to get these spacers off. Whoa. Strike that. I've got to get the spider caps off. I've got to get the wheels off. 3 of the 4. Spacers back on. Wheels on. We'll leave the spacers off this time. We're not going to put those on until we're done. Okay, I don't know if you saw that right there, but I need to take them all off, and then I actually have the back plates. Kind of shows you how those go on here. Let me get in there with you. Whoop. You can see there's 5 separate holes for those. Yeah. Okay, what we've got here is the 1.5 inches for the rears. Got to take these this hardware off of here. I'm gonna check size, looks good, and we'll get on that. In this segment, I call, did we actually ruin this thing, or are we just kind of like clickbaiting this? Did I move my wrench to a different location? It seems right? Doesn't it? That is not how it goes. That is, however. Okay. That's a little concerning. So let me go get the drill. But what it looks like is that's not going to get the stud engagement that I need. Okay, those don't fit. That isn't the right thread. Man. So is it that these acorns go in there? That can't possibly be right because that's not flush. Okay, so I need to get the appropriate trailer bolts that go on here. Why is it just like one thing after another? God, I cannot seem to win. I mean, I can't even like mock this up and hang the wheel just to look. Good Lord though, man. This is really super duper annoying. Yeah, I just need to get some I need to win. I need to win. Yeah, see, there's no way that it even gets close to flush. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Super awesome. So that's the issue, is I need new hardware here. I need new hardware. This isn't gonna fit on my studs. It fits on their studs, if that makes sense. But that is not what we need at all. So, foiled again, Batman. Fuck. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes you get troubled up along the way. And, you know, I'm getting close enough I can see 50, right? So, there's just a lot of stuff I've been through so far in life. And it's been pretty majestic and amazing and crucial and critical and full of triage and resource management and juggling locations and moving and divorces and, you know, children and all kinds of stuff. It's been full of all of that. And as I get older and my kids are getting older and, you know, my time's opening up and, you know, just where my time is spent is, I guess, more available to me. That's where you're going to find me, sitting underneath this shade tree scheming on these rigs. And I can't help as, you know, I'm getting close to kind of seeing the final product, or at least the stage 1 product of the Chevy here. So bear with me. We're gonna get into all of that. It'll be part of the series. I need to get in and create some playlists around each of these rigs that I've done on the channel, especially as like traffic increases. I want to make sure that people are getting my videos suggested to them after they've watched one, or they can see the series. That way that, you know, I like to watch a series anyways. I just want to organize it better for y'all to for the consumer. And so we'll do that. And, you know, I've got some little stuff here and there that I'll capture. I just want to try to create a consistent flow of content for you guys, and, you know, hope to grow a viewer base and a community around that. I know I've said it before, but until future notice, I'm going to be focusing on the old schools, and, well, that's it. Projects. We got to name this channel differently. I'm hoping to do it once and finally. I might release a poll. If you have any idea what the name of the channel should be, put it down in the comments. That'll do a couple of things for me. It's like viewer engagement, which helps the freaking algorithm, help your boy out And then it also lets me know you guys are interested in continuing to watch the content that I'm producing. I'm trying to push out at very minimum a video a week, coupled with a few shorts around that same content, and then maybe some bonus content that I can capture, maybe stuff from work or around the house, flora, fauna, that kind of stuff. We'll check it out. Join me. Love you. Long time. Peace out. Till next time.